What's going on, mi gente? It's Louis the Boiler Man here in the basement. That's right, we're actually here working in Bellmore, New York. We're actually updating the old oil line because the old oil line is leaking. And you know, as you can see, there's a lot of stuff going on over here. So it was just easier, and we explained to the customers, you know, that it'll be easier to just do a trench from here directly to the oil tank, which is about approximately like 15-20 feet more or less. So it's easier just to do a trench than us start moving around because we have limited space in the basement. So we're gonna have that many alternatives. So that's the alternative we took. So in this case, we're doing a little trench maybe about like 2 to 3 inches down. We're putting insulated oil line in the dirt. Of course, then we got to seal it with concrete or sandcrete. We want to connect the oil burner right to the oil tank. The oil tank, as you guys can see, it's right over there. About 15, 20, yeah, about 15 feet. It's not that far. But we have to do the trench, which is the hard part. Once that gets done, we can put the line in, tie them in. Make sure we get some good oil flow and then turn on the heat. And as we get the heat going, then we'll start filling out the trench, or backfilling I should say, with the old cement, and then we'll cover it with sandcrete. So guys, listen, this is what it takes when we're busy. It's the time of the year. The season has officially started. It's only gonna get colder, so it just gets crazy. But hey, it's a job gotta get done, and this is what we do.